Be the next meeting
Meeting
of
after
the
that.
Commissioners Court.
Commissioner, we're losing time.
I
I'm not sure
know.
we can make this happen.
I know.
If we
I
don't
know.
move more quickly than that.
But we have to follow the law. We have posting guidelines, you know.
And if,
Yeah, we probably ought to
So
cut the
the
discussion
government
off. This
Yeah.
is
does
just
not
a future
turn at a
announcement
dime.
of a future agenda, but we don't have discussion about it because that's not listed on the agenda. So, is there any other announcement? Number 47.
Enjoy Constitution Week. If you haven't seen liberty and interaction today in our Commissioners Court meeting, then I don't know how you slept through it.
yeah,
47 is call for citizen input and/or concerns.
executive session.
Hearing none. I mean, I'm not sure that
Convene.
executive session may take a while, and I'm not sure we'll make it be through for the, we've got a,
Well, we'll stop the
Executive
executive session at
session.
1. Or 5 to 1.
why don't we, not adjourn, but what's the term where maybe we can catch the executive session after we get through with the,
The 2 o'clock?
yeah, after, I think we've got a public hearing at 2. We've got a workshop at 1, public hearing at 2, and then try to catch that executive session after that, because
Okay, so we're not gonna adjourn, we're just
we
gonna.
want to adjourn.
Just postpone.
I don't remember, give me the term, Robert's Rules of Order.
Recess until
Recess, there you go.
what
You got it.
time?
That's
What
it.
time?
Well, I mean, we'll
After the-
recess
After the public hearing.
after the public hearing.
Judge, I think you need to specify 6 to 9.
Yeah.
Even if you're gonna be late.
Okay, well, so we could set it at 3, we'll have a public hearing and, our,
There's
We'll
no way we
continue,
can-
continue,
We don't think
continue
we can
our,
knock it out now before, and then we can actually start the workshop after 1 o'clock, correct?
yeah.
Yes, we can. Not before.
but we got
shortly
public
after.
As long
hearing.
as we don't have it before 1.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Judge, I wish we'd go ahead and go into executive session. Maybe we can wrap this thing up in a hurry.
Yeah, okay.
Sounds good.
Makes no difference to me, Judge. I know most likely everybody needs a little bit of a recess to go to the restroom.
Yeah.
Myself
Yeah.
included, and I've already been.
You notice
once
me
in
dancing up
court.
here?
But, do you want to take a vote on the executive session now, or let me do my little spiel?
Or just
Make your statement.
do what we can and work in executive session and then go back into it if we need to.
You have the
So
authority to put
the
us in
Commissioners
recess.
Court's in recess, and we can go into executive session, and then if we need to come back to.
Well, I guess we
Commissioners
could,
Court.
there may be time between the workshop and maybe the public hearing that we could go in there, since we're in recess. We can go into recess and then catch it maybe between those.
Judge, why don't you just sponsor lunch? You sponsor lunch. That's not happened before.
So we're going into recess right now, correct? And
Or we're gonna go into executive.
Executive session.
And then if we need to come out
Either
and
way's-
recess,
either
we
way's
can
fine.
recess after
We can do
executive.
this quickly.
Are you all agreeable?
Before you go into executive session, my name is Ed Bull, as legal officer.
Thank you.
I'm
Oh.
just, I'm ready for,
I have tendered 2 opinions on, we have 2 main contracts to discuss in executive session. It is my legal opinion that discussing these in open court would be detrimental to the position of the county and the court when deliberating with third parties. I'd ask you to take a vote on both items, A and B, that they be unanimous before we go into executive
I
session.
offer a motion that we vote.
Go into executive session.
Yeah. I
All
vote,
in.
I'll second your motion.
all in
okay,
favor?
all in favor, raise your right hand. It's unanimous.
Thank
Okay.
you.
and that covered A and B.
You earned your money today, Jeff.
Got any reading my notes. 12:09.
I'm okay.
Y'all ready? We're coming out of executive session. It's 12:43. No action to be taken. And the meeting is adjourned and we'll be back. Shows 1 o'clock.
Can we,
So it stands 1 o'clock?
Well, I
Okay.
mean, we can.
That's good.
No. Tell me one more time. We don't have to start it at 1. We can start it later. We just can't start it before, I believe.
Doesn't somebody have to be here to tell them they're starting it late? We're starting it later? I mean, I guess I just don't understand if it's posted for 1 o'clock, how can there be nobody here at 1 o'clock?
No, I'll be here at 1 o'clock.
Or can we open it,
You
recess
said
it,
1
and come
o'clock.
back? I mean, you see what I'm saying? I didn't understand why a workshop would be different than any other meeting. That's just a legal
I think they're saying
question.
we're
I don't
gonna
know.
meet at 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
That's-
That's what I'm hearing. My understanding is I'm gonna be here at 1 o'clock.
Well, actually, I thought we needed to recess previously, but I know that they posted it
Yeah.
on the door and somebody was here until later.
We'll be here at 1 o'clock.
I got some Cheez-Its.
Okay, we'll get back.